size.
No, that's because she's bigger than you.
Keep going, big guy.
Ethan, stand behind him so I can
Keep
tape
going.
him. There you go.
Trainer, sit, or Ethan, sit behind him. Sit on that seat.
No, not like that.
No.
Yeah, I got that on camera. Did you see that, Brandon?
Keep going,
He's going to
buddy.
sit on the board right behind him. We're like, he's going to straddle him.
I'm gonna hold on to it so it doesn't harm.
Keep going.
You got it. Just nice and easy. Hey, just consistent.
Yeah.
Just consistent. You don't have to go you don't have to go super fast, bud.
Don't burn yourself.
Yep.
Because the boat's pulling it too. You're gonna win.
Yep. Yep. Just keep consistently turning and burning.
Keep going, big guy.
Okay, someone actually needs to do this. I need.
All right, sit
All right,
behind
switch.
him.
You got the pole,
Hold
Brandon.
it, hold the pole.
Brandon.
You got the pole.
They're gonna
Trainer's reeling
they're
it
gonna
in.
switch. No, they're gonna
Trainer's
switch.
reeling it in.
Maybe,
Oh,
maybe
you're
not.
So close. I think
Keep
you got
going,
it.
Trainer.
You got it,
this.
Trainer.
Keep
It's
going,
right there.
Trainer, right?
It's right there. Keep going.
Kimmy, can you hear me?
Easy.
Kimmy, can you hear me?
There you go.
Hello?
Got it, bud. It's
Can you
almost
hear
out.
me? Kimmy,
Probably 10 more seconds.
can you hear me? Oh my gosh.
What is it?
Did not listen.
Keep going all the way till it stops, buddy.
What? Oh shit!
Kimmy, hello.
Point it right up in the air.
Keep going, Trainer.
Right
No,
there.
real.
Wheel, wheel.
Right there, no, he's done. You got it.
Nice.
Is that another trout?
Yep.
Nice.
Look at that. Oh yeah.
You know what we can do? We can get some stuff to just lightly bread it too. We could, season it. Lucy and Lola. Lucy and Lola, come here. Lucy and Lola, go. Lola, go. 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 Get back. Get back. Sit. Sit. Stay. Nope. Stay.
I couldn't hear you. So
Go ahead. They'll move.
you caught it. It's right there. I'll take a picture of it and send it to you. You can call one, Trainer. All right, bye.
This is awesome.
Yeah, her and Courtney are sticks in the mud, dude.
She's so mad at me right now. I don't even know how
They're always mad. They're women. They're women.
I'm just trying to show her Trainer catching a fish.
You only gave them $45. They're mad. Yeah, I know, right? I know. They're both. It don't matter. Everything, nothing we do is ever appreciated. It's expected.
You don't need to